Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle. So this is my second time filming this intro, and I'm hoping that I got it right. So today we did this soft beat, um, mainly focusing on, I don't know, when I look at me, I look at my eyebrows. Because I feel like my eyebrows is like on fleek. Like, for some reason, like, look at them. Like, tell me I don't look bomb. Like, if I had on a different shirt other than this, like, Monica, what you was saying about my face, huh? No. So if you guys want to watch me create this look, just keep watching. So I already moisturized and primed my face. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I just got off the phone with my sister, and she is hilarious. Like, hilarious. That's all I'm gonna say. You know, I miss hanging out with my sister because it's been like a really long time. You always would want that relationship with your sister, older or younger. You know, like having a relationship with your sister means like you have like a lifetime best friend, you know? And it sucks when like you're not really close with your siblings, you know? Yeah. That's not the point of this video. It was, I don't know why I really bring up I just talked to my sister, but I'm going to go in with my Pro Longwear concealer by MAC. So, I'm going to take some of my NARS concealer and just like put like some under the eye just to brighten it up a little bit. Me and my sister were just talking about like energy and how to just like be happy for people. Like people back in Alaska, like they don't know that. They don't know how to be happy for you. Like they really don't. Like some people can't be genuinely happy for other people. Like, and it's sad because you don't want to see people like that. Like, at least I don't, you know, and it's like I'm just rambling, y'all. I don't honestly don't even know. But okay, so I just set my face with the Sacha Buttercup, and I don't really like to set my face that long, so I'm going to go in now with the translucent powder medium. I'll be making messes with translucent setting powder, y'all. I need to find me a job in the nightlife. Like that's what I want. Like I want to meet people. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte something blush. Now that we have the face done, I'm going to go in with some Urban Decay setting spray. For the eyebrows, you guys already know. I'm gonna fill in my brows off camera. Okay, so now that we have the eyebrows done, the eyebrows is looking pretty nice. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 350M palette. I'm going to go in with this orange right here. These are like the OG palettes. Yeah, I think I will. I'll go in with this color right here for the lid. I'm going to just use my finger. So I was saying earlier how I wanted to meet people. Like, I don't want to be living here with no friends, you know? Like, I just moved out here like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. And I really haven't met anybody, like, to be honest, other than my best friend. and the people that I already know here, because it's like I'm going with this color right here. Wait, this one. And I'm going to put that in the outer. Like, I want to meet people. I want to, like, go do things during the day. Like, shoot your shot through a DM, sis. Like, you know you want to link up. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I'm serious. Like, it's okay. You can shoot your shot as a friend. Not even necessarily a DM, but like you shoot your shot, like you're sitting in, you know, say you shoot your shot with the girl you go to school with. You guys have the same locker, and you realize like, oh dang, she pull up to her locker, and you're like, oh hey, do you want to go get lunch, or do you want to sit together in class, or do you want to be partners? You shoot your shot, sis. Like you can shoot your shot being friends. Shooting your shot does not necessarily mean you shooting your shot to become like boo things and all of that. Like, that's not how it works. I don't want to be the boring person. But then it's like, then I kind of want to be that boring person. I don't want to be like in the club. I kind of want to just be like chill, you know? Like, we're the friends that like to get a bottle of wine and sit at home and watch a movie or play some dominoes or some Uno or some something. Like, where are those kind of friends at? So now that we got the eyes done, just something simple, nothing too dramatic. I think I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance color right there.